Street had another rough day. Stocks slid about 1% by the closing bell. The Dow dropping more than 400 points. The Nasdaq falling 232 and the S&P 500 slipping nearly 65. Investors are grappling with the idea of a prolonged war in the Middle East. Crude oil prices jumped for a second straight day. This is fueling new fears of inflation. The Federal Reserve was expected to consider cutting rates in 2 weeks, but now some board members say this plan might need to go to the back burner. Ground Force Terisa Estacio joins us now from our newsroom with more on what happened with the markets and what this may mean for us. Hi, Terisa.
Hi. Well, financial experts say it may get worse before leveling out, but for now, prices are certain to rise based on the war in Iran.
We do expect the next week to 4 weeks to be brutal on the price of oil. It could spike further.
On Tuesday, Crown Force financial expert Rob Black explaining how the war in Iran will play out on the U.S. economy, specifically oil prices. Already, gas prices are on the rise.
Gas prices are going to shoot up another 30 cents minimum. Don't forget, we also have the Valero Benicia refinery shutting down on May 16th. They support about 12% of all gasoline in California, on top of the taxes you mentioned. So
Black says that the market's also responding with investors reacting to the war. The Dow sank quickly after the opening bell, but settled down later in the day. Black says history provides some perspective on the volatile nature of the market.
We have some big questions in California. But what's going on in the Gulf at this point in time is not a big deal to people in the industry. We've seen it before with Gulf War I, with Gulf War II.
For now, Black says it is important to hold fast and take a long-range approach.
With that said, we're not seeing any fear on Wall Street. The VIX is right around 22. If it goes to 40, that's when there's blood on the street. That's when people are panicked, and that's when I step in and buy more stock because this will be a temporary situation. We don't know what the leadership is going to be replaced with in Iran, but the leadership that was there currently that has been deposed, it wasn't very market friendly or economically friendly to the world.
In the meantime, at the pump, residents say that they do have concerns right now about what the war means for their bottom line.
I try not to drive that much. I try to use the public transit and everything, but when I do have to drive to work, it might be a little bit more expensive.
No material effect on me, but we all pay for the peace dividend. So it isn't necessarily we all get the peace dividend. So it isn't necessarily the gas prices so much as that it's everything else that I know is also going to go up. Our cost of living.
Now, President Trump did announce today that he is ordering the DFC, a federal agency, to provide political risk insurance for shipping companies traveling through the Persian Gulf, saying that U.S. Navy ships may escort oil tankers if necessary to ensure their safe passage. In the newsroom, Terisa Estacio, back to you, Justine.
Terisa, thank you.